8 exercises that can help you avoid back pain. Lower back pain is becoming one of the biggest issues for the fitness industry. Most of us are facing this issue either due to bad uncontrolled stretching or bad sitting posture. To further add insult to the injury, we are making it worse by becoming lazy and unorganized. With poor diet, losing bone density, and weight gain issues. We are leading ourselves towards a slow death. We all can admit that one of the major issues that we are unable to work out daily is lower back pain. Usually, lower back pain is common in people above 35 and especially in women after menopause because of the lower bone density that takes place due to low calcium absorption by the bones. To sum it all up, we can see that most of us are gaining weight because we are unable to resolve our issue, and we can say that this lower back pain is quite literally killing us. Some of the exercises that are going to help you to avoid back pain have been discussed in this video.
Welcome once again to our nursing exercise channel. If this is your first time here, we have a YouTube channel that aims to enrich your knowledge about your health, fitness, medication, nutrition, diet, etc. And if it is your plan to update yourself about these important issues for all of the important tips, advice, discussion and presentation, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on our notification bell icon. Let's start our presentation.
1. Warm-up sessions. Before starting the exercises, you need to have a simple warm-up session. Within the warm-up session, try to add stretching exercises as much as you can. Apart from this, try dynamic stretching exercises because these will eventually help you. Avoiding static stretching is important because your body is in a cold state and this might make you vulnerable. Time recommended: 5 minutes. Distribution time: 30 seconds each exercise. When recommended: every time you start an exercise. 2. Bridges. Bridges is a yoga pose that you can perform and hold for more than 3 minutes if you want to strengthen your back. This yoga pose will help you lift your lower back without any support. While your head is on the ground, try lying flat on the ground and bend your knees. Now you can touch your hands to your feet and lift your lower back. You need to keep your shoulders on the ground, otherwise, your neck might have to bear all the weight. This is a very good exercise for the lower back as well as your shoulder and abdomen muscles. Time recommended: 3 minutes. Distribution time: 30 seconds hold time. Total reps: 6. 3. Hug your knee. This is another stretching pose that is used in yoga. You need to lay flat on the ground and fold your knees. Now bring your knee closer to your chest because this will help you stretch your knee and lower back. First, you can do this with both knees at a time, and then you need to bring one knee at a time because this will help you stretch more easily and you feel better as well. You can perform this pose at least 3 to 4 times a day. Time recommended: 2 minutes. Distribution time: 30 seconds hold time. Total reps: 4. 4. Body rotation. You must be familiar with the famous Russian twist exercises that are good for the abs. This exercise is almost the same, but this time you need to move your body as compared to just your arms. Lay flat on the ground and bend your knee. Once you have bent your knee, now you can move it to the left side. Keep one thing in mind: you need to keep the rest of your body strength. Only move your knee. You can keep switching between left and right and complete it at least 5 times. Time recommended: 2 minutes. Distribution time: Try to hold as long as you can, but the minimum time must be 30 seconds hold time. Total reps: 4. 5. Side leg lifts. We have all seen the scissor lifts or leg lifts where you lie down on the yoga mat and try to lift your legs. This is a great exercise for abs, but the side leg or lateral leg lifts are completely different. You need to lie on your side and support your head and neck with the help of one hand. Now keep the other hand on the side rather than keeping it on the ground for support. Start lifting your legs without taking support from the arms or hands. You need to change posture and switch sides after 5 minutes so that it is even on both sides. Time recommended: 2 minutes. Distribution time: 10 seconds hold time for each side. Total reps: 12. 6. Tabletop posture. This is one of the best postures that you will find for your back strength. You just need to lift your body while taking support from your arms and legs. Your weight needs to be evenly distributed, otherwise you might strain your muscles. Another important thing is that your overall blood flow will get better as well. Your brain will get better oxygen and your eyesight will improve as well. For better results, try to hold that posture for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Time recommended: max 1 minute. Distribution time: hold for as long as possible. Total reps: no reps. 7. Superman fly. We all love superheroes, and every superhero has a superpower as well. When we talk about Superman, there is one thing that makes a Superman different from the rest, and that is the way he flies. You just need to mimic the Superman flying posture as you lay flat on the ground. You need to lift your head and feet while your body touches the ground. This is an excellent exercise for strengthening the back muscles. Time recommended: 30 minutes. Distribution time: 30 seconds hold time. Total reps: 1. 8. Pelvic floor. Pelvic floor is a great exercise for abs and legs. However, most people ignore that it is a great exercise for the lower body and especially the back. All you need to do is just take support from a medical ball or a chair and lift your abs after every few minutes. This might get a little challenging at first, but this is a great exercise for strengthening the lower body muscles. Time recommended: 2 minutes. Distribution time: 30 seconds hold time. Total reps: 4.
If you have any query, please comment in the comment box, and if you enjoy watching our videos, please subscribe our channel to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. Hit the bell icon twice. Thanks for watching.